If you want to insert a SIM card or SIM cards into POCO F8 Pro, then in that case we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray. We also have this hole over here where we have the SIM tray, and we need to use the SIM eject tool in order to put it into this hole. Of course, you should be able to find your eject tool inside the box of the phone. So we're gonna put it in just like that and then use a little bit of force in order to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out slightly. Once that happens, use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove it from the phone. And this is how the SIM tray looks like. We have SIM slot number 1, and on the reverse side we have SIM number 2. So now we just need to match the shape of the SIM card slot. In my case, over here in the upper left corner we have this cut part, so we need to match the shape and insert the SIM card correctly into its place. There we go. And of course, on the reverse I'm gonna insert the second card as well. There we go. Just make sure that the SIM card is fully in and it doesn't stick out. It should not stick out at all. And now we just need to put it back into the phone, the whole SIM tray, after inserting all SIMs. Push it down into the phone, make sure that it doesn't stick out, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.